Hello children, now we are in exercise 12.2 question number 4. Previous questions you have seen in previous videos. Let us start. The question is here: a triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. The condition is here: a parallelogram and a triangle, a parallelogram and a triangle have the same base and the same area. Then next is, if the side of the triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. The sides of triangle are 26 centimeter, 28 centimeter and 30 centimeter. So three sides of triangle are given here, and the parallelogram stand on the same base 28 centimeter. Find the height of the parallelogram. So another part we will go later. First of all, we have got the side of triangle. Three sides are here given. We straight go for calculating area of triangle. First part of that formula is semi-perimeter. First side, second side and plus third side by 2. You all know about semi-perimeter. So straight we will calculate 8, 6, 14, 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 2, 8, 84 by 2, 2 4s are 2 2s are. So semi-perimeter of that triangle is 42 centimeter. And then area of triangle, we use Hero's formula, area of triangle S into S minus A. This all the thing now you are well known, into S minus C. First side semi-perimeter first, then semi-perimeter minus first side 26, again 42 minus 28 and third side 42 minus 30. Let us calculate this area. We get here 42 into 42 minus 26, 12 minus 6, 3 minus 2, 1, 12 minus 8, 4, 3 minus 2, 1, 42 minus 30, 12. We will factorize this all. 42 we can factorize, orally you can factorize or you can go for rough work. 42 by 2, 2 21s are, 3 7s are. So 3 into 7, 16 we can do orally, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, still 14 is there, 2 7s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12. Now we 2 comes out, again 3, 3, 7, another 7 is also there, again 2 2, 2, 2 2, 2 and finally this 2 2 also 2. Let us multiply, 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42, 42 into 8, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 42 into 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 4s are 32, 1 33. So what we found? Area of that triangle is 336 centimeter square. And now the condition is here what? 2 are there. What are that 2? Parallelogram and a triangle. They are standing on the same base and they have equal area, same area. That means area of triangle is 336. So area of parallelogram is also 336 as per the question. The question is saying it, area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. We just use symbol instead of writing the full word parallelogram and triangle. So, area of parallelogram, what we know? Base into height. So, let us go with base into height, and area of triangle we have calculated, that is equal to area of parallelogram 336. Now, once more we will see the condition. Parallelogram and triangle have the same base, that means not only area are equal, whatever may be the base of triangle, that is the base of parallelogram. And one more is there mentioned, what is that? The base, the parallelogram stand on the base 28 centimeter. Refer the question and know. It is clearly mentioned parallelogram is and triangle have the same base, and parallelogram is standing on the base which is 28 centimeter. So, base of parallelogram is 28. Find the height of parallelogram. Height we will find, and that is equal to 336. We can write here centimeter square. And now, the height of parallelogram we are going to get, this is 28 will come in RHS. So, height of parallelogram will be 336 by 28. By 4 we can cut, 4 7s are, 4 8s are 32, 1 came here, 4 4s are. Again by 7, 7 1s are, 7 12s are. Therefore, height of parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. It is easy solution, only that we need to understand what question says. Question is saying parallelogram and triangle have the same base, same area, and the base of parallelogram is 28. Find the height of parallelogram. Hope you have understood. Let us go now in question number 5. So, we will see now question number 5, that is a rhombus shaped field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. If each side of the rhombus is 30 meter and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. So, we will go with the shape of the field, that is rhombus. Each side is given, each side of rhombus is 30 meter, and its diagonal, and its which diagonal? Longer diagonal. Why? Because rhombus both the diagonals are not equal. So, longer diagonal is mentioned here. How much is that? 48 meters. So, this is, let us see this diagram. A rhombus it is rhombus shaped field we can say, and then this how much grass is there in this field or on this field, that is 18 cow can eat that grass sufficiently, that is sufficient grass for 18 cows. Question is asked here, for each cow how much area grass will be there, we have to calculate. Anyway, if this is the rhombus shaped field, let us consider this diagonal is the longer diagonal, this diagonal is shorter. We are not talking about shorter diagonal, we are talking about longer diagonal, and its longer diagonal is 48 meter. So, let us see in this diagram, this is 48 meter diagonal and each side is 30 meter, 30 meter. We know rhombus all the sides are equal. So, 30 meter, another side also 30 meter, another side, all four sides 30 meter, 30 meter. We can give name or without name also we can proceed, no problem. If we give name, that looks better. ABCD is a rhombus shaped field, BD be its longer diagonal, that we can mention here. Let ABCD be a rhombus shaped field, it is field or ground, let us see, it is field, shaped field, and BD be its longer diagonal. So, what we have shown in diagram we wrote in introduction. If we give the name, we have to show in introduction. If we do not give name, without introduction straight we can start area of one triangle, area of another triangle, that is up to us. Here we have given name, so we have to go now with name. Now let us see, rhombus all four sides are equal. So one diagonal will divide the rhombus into two equal triangle, equal in area. So here it is easy, we will find any one triangle area, whatever, maybe area of this triangle, suppose 200 meter square, another triangle also will be 200 meter square, because that is the property of rhombus, all four sides are equal, one diagonal is common, that means corresponding sides are equal, this side is common, that means all three corresponding sides are equal. So surely the triangle will be congruent, and congruency condition also you have studied chapter 7 in triangles. So by SSS, side congruency rule, triangles will be equal, and if triangles are equal, surely they are equal in area also. So here we won't find both the triangle area, any one triangle area we will find. So let us go in triangle, in whichever triangle, it is up to us. ABD, in triangle ABD we are going to find semi perimeter. We will use Hero's formula for finding. First side 30, another side 13, and third side 48. So 30 plus 30 plus 48 by 2, 8, 4, 3, 7, 3, 10, 108 by 2, 2 5s are 2 4s are. We get what? 54 meter. What is this? Semi perimeter of one triangle. So surely semi perimeter of another triangle also will be same only, because two sides here, this side also common. Then we will calculate area of triangle ABD. Area of triangle ABD, that we know S minus AS minus B into S minus C, minus B into S minus C. This is just to denote all that three sides, nothing more. First side, first semi perimeter 54, 54 minus whichever side we have considered, first one 30, second one also 30. So 54 minus 30, third one is 54 minus 40, it is 54 minus 48, it is 48. Then 54, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 30, 24, 54 minus 48, 6. Factorize which number you can't do by yourself orally, go in rough side. Let us see 54 if we cannot do orally. 54 by 2, 2 27s are, 3 9s are, 3 3s are. It is actually simple, we can do orally. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. Then 24, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Again 24, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 6 2 3s are. Let us get square root of it. 2 2, 2 we take out, 3 3, 3 is out, again 3 3, 1 3 is out, 2 2, 2 is out, from here also 2 2, again 2 2. From every pair we will take one number out and square root is no more, cancelled. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72 into 6. 72 into 6 we will get 12, 42, 143. So 432 meter square is the area of one triangle. So surely another triangle DBC also area will be 432, because we know the area of these both triangle are equal. We can write triangle, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle DBC. Both will be 432 each meter square. That means what will be the area of rhombus field? Area of ABCD, area of rhombus field we can say, area of rhombus ABCD will be 2 into 432. We get what? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. So, 864 meter square area grass is there on this field, this area. Now, how many cows can eat or graze the grass? 18 cows. So, for 18 cows 864 meter square grass, that area. So, for each cow how much will be available area of the grass? We will divide. So, let us see. 18 cows can graze in the field. The question itself is here telling, once more we can read that sentence. A rhombus field has green grass for 18 cows to graze. The field has grass for 18 cows to graze. That means 864 meter square area is for 18 cows. Therefore, how much area of grass will each cow be getting? Therefore, the area of grass each cow will be getting. Total area, that is 864 divide by 18. If we can cut by directly by 18, it is good. Otherwise, go by 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Now 9, 9 6, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45 cannot, 9 4s are 36. Came here 7, 72, 9 8s are 72. That means, for each cow 48 meter square area of grass is available to graze. So, this is also one easy question. I hope you have understood. See you in next video.